Let's look at the third phase, which is the customizing phase. In this presentation, we'll look at customizing the general ledger. So we finished project preparation, we finished installation, and now we are in customizing. The customization phase consists of three areas. That is customizing the general ledger, asset accounting, and the third one is controlling, specifically for account-based COPA. The first step in customizing general ledger accounting is to activate the new GL menu. So you go to transaction code SE38 and use this program RFAGL_SWAP_MENU_NEW. So this will activate the new GL menu under financial accounting. That's what this means. And once you execute this program, you'll be coming to this screen, activate/deactivate new menu, select on activate new menu and execute the transaction. This will activate the new GL menu. Once you install Simple Finance, you will get this option in your SPRO menu called Migration from SAP ERP to SAP Accounting powered by SAP HANA. Under this menu path, you will get many different options. What we are looking at in this phase is preparations and migration of customizing. Under that, one of the first options are preparations and migration of customizing for general ledger. Then you have the preparation and migration for asset accounting and preparation and migration for controlling. Now under the configuration for general ledger, there are 11 activities, and finally you need to activate the business functions. In this presentation, we will go through all the 11 activities, but even though sometimes you might not require all the activities to be configured depending on your company's requirements. So the first step is to check and adapt fiscal year variance. This is the first step. You can see here, I've just highlighted over here. So fiscal year variance have to be the same for all the company codes under a single controlling area. Just as before what you used to do in ERP6, in Simple Finance also, for all the company codes under the single controlling area, they should have the same fiscal year variant. So here you can do a check for it. Just enter your controlling area and execute, and it will give a list of all the company codes and their fiscal year variants. And from here you can see if any of your company codes have a different fiscal year variant or not, and you can do the necessary adjustments. This, I'm sure it's the same procedure which you're used to do in ERP6, so you must be quite familiar with how to do the fiscal year variant change and assign it to your relevant company code. The second step is to migrate the general ledger configurations from SAP ERP to Simple Finance. In this transaction, you migrate the following configurations, which is all your company code assignments, the currency settings, the fiscal year variance, the posting period variant, and any settings for real-time integration between the controlling module and financial accounting module. So by executing this transaction, it will migrate all these 5 settings, which is really convenient rather than you having to go and configure each of these 5 settings after you go and finish your migration phase. So if everything is successful, you will get a green box saying ledger configuration copied to new journal entry ledger configuration in this client.